Welcome back. Last week I was actually trying to play around with bracket orders. Couple of weeks back when I tried bracket orders, I was successfully able to place the order and close the position by end of the day. Last week I had shortlisted Piramal Enterprises to place the bracket order. So I went ahead and selected stop loss and target under the advanced options and try to set the stop loss and target. Usually I follow 1:2 risk reward ratio, but this time I was trying to follow a little higher, and the application suggested that I have to reduce the target, which I did, and I was successfully able to place the order. But the challenge was the position got immediately closed, and I was little surprised because my stop loss and target were pretty far, and there were 3 rejected orders also. So I was not sure whether I followed the process properly. So I was thinking, okay, let me try it once again. Even now I selected Piramal Enterprises for placing the bracket order. I was very careful this time. I wanted to ensure that I am not doing any mistakes from my side. If you feel I am doing some mistake, please put it in the comment. Selected stop loss and target option under advanced options, which is nothing but bracket order. I placed my stop loss and target. Went with all the suggestions provided by the app, and I was able to place the order successfully. But the issue was, even now the position got closed out. I was pretty sure I didn't do mistake, because even a couple of weeks back when I tried bracket order, I was able to do it successfully. I went to the failed tab of orders window and tried to dig in why this issue might have happened. One of the messages that consistently displayed was the order has been cancelled due to price freeze. I'm not sure about this because later I was able to successfully buy Piramal Enterprises using limit order. So I feel there might be some defect here as far as bracket order feature is concerned of Paytm Money app. Please let us know your experience also in the comment. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.